Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what you are seeing out here is this really cute and fluffy duck, but there is actually a motive behind this fluffy friend out here. We have an organization out here that has been working with children that have cancer, and this toy is actually dedicated towards making their cancer treatment a lot easier. The duck actually reacts to your emotions, so like I'm stroking it and petting it, and it's feeling really happy. So if you have this little companion where you can actually give care to the companion, it actually helps reduce your own stress levels. And of course, what better way to help children relieve their stress than give them the ability to care for something. Now that's not all. There is a little sensor out here in front where you can put a number of these dials, and these dials have a variety of emotions which I'm going to show you right now. This one is essentially a treatment dial which children can play with and pretend as though they're giving the treatment to the duck that they are receiving. But that's not all. If I can actually remove this and put one that has a sad face, for example, out here, the duck is going to react in a different way. It's going to quack in a different way. It's going to express a little bit of fear. And if you want it to feel happy, there's the happy face out here which you can actually tap to the sensory out here, and the emotions of the duck are going to change. And this is a very interesting way of getting children to express when they actually can't. And I've been playing with this duck for about 5 minutes now, and it is a very soothing feeling to have something react to your attention. And of course, you do not have to go to the trouble of actually having a real pet and taking care of it, because that's a big responsibility. You also have an angry face out here, and I want to see what happens when I do that. And the duck starts quacking in a slightly more angry manner, and let's just calm him down, make him a little happy out here. There is no launch or pricing available for this. This is the first time that the company is showcasing this duck to the public, and it is absolutely fantastic. It's a very innovative product. The battery life can go almost the entire day, and it's no wonder it's won an innovation award here at CES 2018. If you want more coverage from CES, you can stay tuned to Digit.in, and for more from the world of technology as well. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.